Greetings everyone, welcome to my channel. Be sure to check out my other videos and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome content. Today's quick video wasn't really planned in advance but was made rather spontaneously. It was born out of necessity for new camera microphone as I am upgrading my camera gear. The reason I thought I needed an external camera mic is the jittery sound that the lens makes while trying to focus. You hear it? In this video, I will demonstrate the sound quality of this newly purchased Marantz Audio Scope SB-C2 in comparison to the built-in camera microphone. The microphone creates quite pleasing ductile feeling while I'm handling it. It feels lightweight, strong, and persuasive. The body of the mic is suspended on two rubber bushings mounted in the base plate that has a hot shoe adapter with standard 1/4" 20 threads. Included in the package is an adapter for 3/8 threads, so that this mic could be mounted on a variety of monopods, extenders, etc. But we're only gonna attach it to the camera. It uses one AAA battery. It has 3 switches to accommodate different use situations. Well, only 2 of them do. Third one is just an on-off switch. I got nothing bad to say about the box. Let's do the comparison now.
Okay, this is the live sound test for the stock microphone that is built in the camera. And after this simple operation, we will try and see how this new microphone will sound. So far, doesn't look like it wants to work. But we will try it on the camera. Okay, now we're trying to see if the new microphone is working. Well, as the lens moves in and out, tries to focus, can we hear the jittering sound or not? Can we hear my voice pretty clear? Now keep in mind that microphone is not directly pointing at me, because you see this paper in front of the camera, not me. Well, let's see if it's a stereo now. Okay, what else can we say? 1, 2, 3, 4, test. Testing the sound, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this menu is very informative. For a 5-year-old maybe. Okay, this warranty, very useful if you don't have toilet paper. Microphone now connected to the camera, so we're talking to this microphone. And it is pointing directly at me at the moment, and I'm about 1.5 feet away from it. We're trying to establish whether or not this microphone has any good sound to it or not. There are some switches. I think it's a low pass switch.
It turned out to be a low frequency cutoff filter switch.
And this subtracts 10 decibel from the sound, which it feels like the microphone is not loud enough as it is. Although I'm gonna test it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, test, and back to where it was: 1, 2, 3, 4, test. I think we've established that I can count to 4. Let's see what else we can come up with.
The outdoor test revealed almost complete uselessness of the foam sock against what appears to be a very mild breeze. Can't even call it a wind. The next test is about how the mic picks up manual handling of the camera.
So, there has been a new development. I noticed when the mic is off, we have some lighting going on there. Let me see if I can. Can you see it? I don't think so. But right now it's completely off. I mean the light. And now it's gonna creep on. Let me see if I turn the big light off. There. You can see it's off, but it's got a light on. Focus. So yeah, while the thing is off, the light stays on. And now when I turn it on, the light goes off. So let me see what it does to the sound. We're testing it one more time. I'm about 1.5 feet away from the microphone, and the switch is currently in on position where the light is completely off. And when we turn
the microphone turns off, but it's going to drain the battery anyhow, so better keep the battery out between uses of the camera. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you did or not. Please also don't forget to support the channel. Anything counts.
and turn it back on. Hello everybody, I'm still here.
Thanks for watching.
Okay.